qualification which has to be done for all of them is the one which will be prescribed by the central government, which is the DGT. Now, DGT has already prescribed that a qualification which is called the CITS, and there is an RPL which is equivalent to CITS, will be people who are qualified to be appointed to this post of instructors. My lords, that is it. The state, by a side wing, through its rules, the 2013 rule gets set aside by the High Court saying you have to meet with the central government directive. When they come in 2018, they bring the rules, and then by a side wing, they bring a state course in which is not equivalent to CITS. That is when that course, which is the state course, is called SCVT. That qualification is not equivalent to CITS.
Yes.
Now, my lords, the objection is on two counts. One is the central government has through its authority, DGT, provided CITS. We are all CITS or RPS. We have that qualification.
So there is no dispute about your qualification. You are affected by the weightage of the contract employees. Weightage.
I am affected by the weightage.
Weightage of the contract employees.
Because I have been in service for 8 years.
Right.
8 years. I have continuously worked on 8 years.
That's right.
Today, in an examination,
on contract basis again.
My lords, what is the difference now? My lords may put a question to me. How are we different in our service performance from contract employees? I only want to show you one page. Would my lords turn to page 122? There are 3 illustrations. I can be satisfied if my lords may give me the benefit of just one of them. Give me that employees, that sheet page number. My lords, just give me, I think I've made a wrong noting of a page. Just give me one. That page number on which they have that 123. My lords, may just turn to 123. I have made a wrong noting of the page. Yes, my lord. This is the page. Now, these are the guests. We have put in a simple example. Please turn to 123. This is one of the guest persons. Please see her hours of work. She does them morning, she takes the classes, and then she works till 12, and then she does after that on daily basis the practicals, etc. And then now turn to page number 125. This is the lady, Beauty Kumari, and this is her hours, practicals, etc. she takes. This is the same work which is being done by every contract employee. I render a full day service, each one of these guest instructors.
You participated in the selection process with open eyes. You had the option to challenge the condition before entering into that examination process.
2 judgments which are in my favor on having participated and challenged. I am grateful to my learned friend. My lords, can you give me this citation? Yes. My lords, may I request?
The same condition has been examined by the Bombay High Court.
No, my lords, now. It's possible I'll give a printout of this judgment. The judgment squarely covers me in my favor.
Doesn't judgments which we can provide?
18.
Doesn't judgments what
I know this is a 2019 judgment.
There are subsequent judgments.
Now, can I just read this one paragraph? And
Yes,
this is the judgment of my lords. My lords, no, this is, I'm reading from here. This is my lords.
What is the name of the title of the
Meeta Kumari.
Meeta Kumari, yes.
Meeta Kumari. It's a 2019 judgment. My lords, that is what is that. However, we appreciate from this candidate by entering to participate in the selection process only the procedure and not the equality in it. In the situation where a candidate
come to para 12 of the order, you will find your answer there. Of the order. Please come to para 12.
My lords, I am only saying the work for
Yes, you have participated. Have faith in your abilities. You may succeed.
My lords, I have
succeed.
My lords, I have had a stay for a period of of 3 months. I'm only saying that tomorrow if they declare.
You can't encroach upon others' right in the.
My lords, but plus please, I request you to appreciate. I have worked for 8 years. The High Court deemed it appropriate.
As a guest faculty, as a guest faculty, madam.
But my lords, as a guest, I
A regular selection can't be scuttled by a
No,
stay.
I rendered the very same
You
service.
have participated, have faith in your abilities, you may succeed.
But lords, the fact
You may
remains.
yourself be deferring the
But my lords,
opportunity which may be.
Can I then only have one aspect for your
Yes.
persuasion and I leave it at that?
Yes.
My lords, my challenge is also for including those candidates who do not have the SITS qualifications.
CITS.
Yes, CITS qualification. Now that is a challenge that I have made before the court. So the zone of consideration has been enlarged now. Every other.
Again, same thing, that condition was also there in the advertisement. That ought to have been challenged before
Because
participating.
I have challenged it.
After participating, not before that.
My lords,
You.
today my lords
Okay.
have taken view to
Dismissed.
the judgment.
Next.
तो फ्रेंड्स, जैसा कि आप लोगों ने पूरा जजमेंट को सुना होगा और जो कन्वर्सेशन था ड्यूरिंग सुप्रीम कोर्ट इन बिटवीन लॉयर एंड ऑनेबल जस्टिस ऑफ सुप्रीम कोर्ट, तो एक कंक्लूजन ये निकल के आया कि फाइनली जो कोर्ट केस है वो जीत लिया गया है। रिजल्ट अब जारी होगा, स्कोर कार्ड जारी होगा। और एक सबसे बड़ा दिन ये भी है कि मैं बार बार बोल रहा था कि 4 जून के बाद, तो 4 जून आज है और आज एक बहुत बड़ा उलटफेर भी होने वाला है। सरकार किसकी बनती है? सरकार जिसकी भी बने वो रोजगार उन्मुख सरकार हो, एम्प्लॉयमेंट क्रिएशन के लिए हो, चाहे वो प्राइवेट सेक्टर में हो या पब्लिक सेक्टर यानी गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर में हो। यानी कहने का मतलब ये है कि प्राइवेट सेक्टर में भी हो तो वहाँ पे भी कम से कम एक सिक्योरिटी और जो जिसका फॉलो कर रही है गवर्नमेंट, जिस पॉलिसी की जो वेस्टर्न थॉट्स को यहाँ पे प्रोसीड किया जा रहा है, कम से कम उसका भी ध्यान रख के ये चीज़ पे ध्यान दें, ताकि जैसे वहाँ पे लोग सिक्योर होते हैं थोड़ा प्राइवेट सेक्टर में, तो वैसे इंडिया में भी लोग प्राइवेट सेक्टर में हो सिक्योर हो। और दूसरी बात, जो गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर यानी पब्लिक सेक्टर में जो जॉब्स हैं वो उसको फुलफिल करे ताकि रेवेन्यू जनरेशन अच्छे से हो। तो ये एक बहुत बड़ा अपडेट था। बाकी 8 बजे हम लोग मिलते हैं पूरे फुल डिटेल के साथ, और किसी पे कटाक्ष करने से अच्छा है कि अपने पॉजिटिविटी पे ध्यान दें, अपने काउंसलिंग पे अब ध्यान दीजिए। अब इससे ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं हो सकता। जो विपक्ष है उनकी औकात नहीं है कि वो ICJ जाए, यानी कि इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस में जाए, क्योंकि उसके ऊपर भगवान है। इसके सुप्रीम कोर्ट के ऊपर ICJ है, ठीक है, और उसके नीचे ये जितने भी कंट्रीज़ के जो हाईएस्ट जुडिशियल बॉडी यानी जैसे अपने इंडिया में सुप्रीम कोर्ट है, ठीक है। तो फाइनली जजमेंट हो चुका है। अब वो लोग चारों खाने पस्त हो चुके हैं। रिजल्ट जारी होगा, स्कोर कार्ड भी जारी होगा। थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग, लिसनिंग ऑन बिंदा जीएस फोरम। मंगलवार है, बजरंग बली का नाम लेके एक बार फिर से आप लोग अपनी काउंसलिंग पे ध्यान दीजिए, डॉक्यूमेंट्स को अपडेट कीजिए। नेक्स्ट वीक में आपका स्कोर कार्ड और इस महीने के अंत या जुलाई फर्स्ट वीक में आपका रिजल्ट भी जारी हो जाएगा, और जुलाई के अंत तक पक्का सेशन स्टार्ट होने से पहले ज्वाइनिंग जरूर हो जाएगा, और पहला सेशन इस बार का मिल जाएगा सबको जितने भी लोग सिलेक्टेड हुए हैं। तो थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग, लिसनिंग ऑन बिंदा जीएस फोरम। वंस अगेन शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इसको वायरल कीजिए ताकि सबको इसका पॉजिटिविटी मिल पाए। थैंक यू।